Okay, so in this tutorial we are looking at embedding Quizlet resources that have been created onto your VLE site, and in this case in particular onto Moodle. So having previously created a Quizlet activity, and if you're not sure how to do that or you haven't seen it or been introduced to it, then please speak to myself, Dave Galloway, or any of the other teaching and learning coaches who will be able to help you and introduce you to Quizlet. It's a great resource. Very interactive, very student orientated, great for revision. So I've created one of these resources here. If we just go into it, you can see it. So it's a principles of training methods and resource. The key thing here is to make sure that there's public access to this. So to ensure I've done that, if I go to edit, then across to visible to everyone, and if I just click on that, you can see who I've allowed to be able to see this. So for this to work on your VLE, it's important you have this one clicked, everyone. Click save and done. We're looking for this option down here where it says more, and the key thing we're looking for is embed. I love this feature. It's great on so many resources because essentially it is just a copy and paste activity that we're looking to do now. So these are the different resources you can use once you've created your Quizlet activity. It doesn't matter which one you copy and paste because you can access all of them, but the one you do copy will be the one that's your default when you paste it on your VLE. So I'm going to go for the flashcards, just select it and copy. Then I go across to my Moodle page, which I've already opened up and already turned editing on. In this case I'm going to go to the applied physiology section, which is where I want it to go, and you can see at the moment fairly boring, just a couple of standard resources there. I'm going to want to add an activity, so just click on add an activity, and what we're looking for here is the label option. So select label and then add. It takes a couple of seconds. Make sure we can see the editing tools, which you'll be familiar with if you use Moodle a lot, and this is what we're after, particularly the HTML. So what I've copied is some HTML code. I don't know how to write it myself, so I've copied it and I just paste it in here, and that's as simple as it is. It is a copy and paste. Done, and you can see it's already then produced this activity for me, so you can preview it here. So I'm just going to save and return to the course, and then it should be in place where I want it. Just going to refresh the screen to make sure. And if we scroll down, there it is. So the resource that we produced. So these are the Quizlet revision cue cards. If you need help with the audio and pronouncing the words,
frequency,
you can click on it. Students can test themselves, flip the answers over, star it if they understand it or if they're struggling with it, etc. Then down here, all these different other options that we talked about they can do. So let's go with a speller, and again different options on here, and you can work through and produce your answers, type the answers in here based on the definition. So a great little interactive resource, very quick and easy to use. Once you've produced it on Quizlet, it's just a case of copy and paste. If you really want to make it student orientated, give them the option of producing the resource in the first place on Quizlet, and then that way all you're doing is copying and pasting their hard work and their resources so they can access them on their Moodle page. If you need any further support with this, please feel free to contact me, Dave Galloway, or any of the teaching or learning coaches will be able to help you.